Video I'm going to explain the sort out process and the pagination. So in here, if we go to the search bar and search MacBook, if the user wants to search MacBooks and click sort, the user will get all the MacBooks. If the user wants to get the newest to active time from newest to oldest, the latest item to the oldest, then the user will get latest to oldest. So if we want to, let's say, clear this sorting, we can click on this clear button. It will refresh the page and clear out the sorting. And we also have by quantity, high to low. So highest to low, these all are 10 and the last one is 4. So this is highest to low, and we can give the opposite, see. And also we can get brand new and used. So all these products are brand new. If I give used, I won't get anything, an empty page. So next is the pagination. So in here I want 5 products per page, and if I go to the second page, if I click the second page, I will go to the second page. In here I only get one value because in my database I have 6 products. So the first 5 is showing in the first page, the last one is showing in the second page. So I will start with pagination. So inside my product.php, I have first open up a PHP tag. So inside this PHP tag, I import the connection.php file and then start a session. And in here, I check if this only a logged in user can see this design. Not if the user is not logged in, he won't see this design. So if the session called u exists, we will get from the session u, we will get the logged in user's email and assign it to this email variable. And here I have given a empty variable called page number. I will use this. I'm going to use this variable in my pagination. So in here, this is inside this product design. I have opened up a PHP tag. In here I have given if statement. If this .get page variable exists, assign it to this page number. So this page number, it's on here. So this is a page number, is a global variable. And else, if this doesn't exist, assign 1. So I will show you later where I get this page underscore get page variable. So after that, I using the database class. Using the database class, inside database class we have the search method, and it accepts a parameter. So I'm going to write this SQL query. Select everything from product where users email is equal to email. I want the logged in users product. So that's why I say where users email. So I will get the product results set, and from that product result set I will get the number of rows and assign it to product num. In here I have created a new variable for results per page, and then I have assigned 5. So I want 5 products per page. In here, to get the number of pages, I'm going to use product num divided by results per page. This product number of product, whatever the number of products I have in the database, it will be divided from product number. And this seal, what this does is it will round up. So it says value round up to the next highest integer. So if I get 1.2 as the answer, it will round up to the 2. And then in here the page results. So page -1, whatever the page we are in, -1 multiplied by 5. And then here I have written another SQL query. Select everything from product where users email is equal to email. Limit for results per page, that means 5, and offset is whatever the amount we get from this equation. So first thing it's going to do is it will first skip these rows. Offset means skip rows. So it will skip the whatever the amount we get from here, and then limit to 5, and then we will get the result set. So then I will, from the result set, I get the number of rows and assign it to selected num. selected num, and then inside this then I'm using this for loop and looping. While it is looping inside, I'm going to fetch the data from the selected RS and assign it to the data table, and I have given all the, then after that from selected data I have given the product title, price, quantity, all the information needed. So if we come down here, this is where the pagination process works. So in here I have 3 buttons. This is the first button. This button goes to the previous page. This is the second one. This will go to the next page, and in between we have the page number. So in here inside the previous page, this is we have a tag, anchor tag, and inside anchor tag we have href. So href sends get request. So in here I'm sending a get request. So inside this href tag I have opened up a PHP, sorry, not href tag, the href attribute. Inside this href attribute I have opened up a PHP tag. So in here, if page number is smaller than or equal to 0, so if the page number is equal to small or 0, then we don't, there's no previous option, we don't need to do anything else. That means if the page number is greater than 1, then I want to echo page and equal of this page variable and equal whatever the value we get. So let's say page I'm in the second page. When the user will click on this previous, 2 minus 1 is 1, and we will assign that value to this page, and we can like I said, href will send get request. So therefore we can do a URL binding to this page. That means my product.php, and I will catch this your page variable, get variable in here like I showed you before, and in here I catch this page variable and assign that value to this page number. So this is the same thing happening in the next page, the next button. The only difference is instead of 1 minus 1 I add instead of minus 1 I add plus 1, because when the user clicks I need to go to the next page. I will show you the process now. In here, this is the previous one. If we click previous, won't happen anything. If we click plus next, see, I go to the this is the next button, and I go to the next page, and in here I got the URL binding. If I go to the previous, see, page the URL binding is here. It's displaying the page number. So to display the page number, I have created a for loop. So I first get the number of pages. I get the number of pages from here. So I loop that, and in here inside this loop I write if x is equal to page number. That means this variable x variable is equal to page number. That means the user is in the current page. So to show the current page, I have given this active class. This active class is a bootstrap class, and it will show it in blue color. So in here I am in the second page. So this is my current page. Now it will show me this blue color. So if else, we will show the other number, the first one. So if I go to the first, now I am in the current page, and the second one is not active anymore. The first one is now active. So in here also, inside this href a tag, anchor tag, so this href I echo the URL binding with the page number, and also in here echo I'm showing the page number. Same thing in the else statement. Inside this else, it's the same thing. I have given the URL binding the page x, the page number, and in here the X showing the page number.